So these are the brushes I'm going to be cleaning. There's a lot of dry glue in them, so they're really stiff now, but let's go ahead and try and fix it. So what you want to do first is just heat up the acetone for about 10 seconds, not even. And what you should see is it start to bubble. And this will basically eat away at the paint. And it's so easy, very efficient, you use minimal acetone and it works great. Okay, so after you use the alcohol, what you want to do next is get a small piece of tape and just form that around the bristles. And what I like to do personally is try to make a triangle and squeeze it at the top like it's forming a pyramid. And once you do that, you just seal it off with the tape, just like that. And we're good to go. So the next thing after that is you want to get a hair dryer or a heat gun and really squeeze the bristles. Roll it in between your fingers. And really what you want to do is get that friction there so it takes a new shape. And after that, you'll just slowly and very gently take the tape off. And it looks kind of frayed right now, but once you get wet, boom, this is what it should look like. Perfectly new, it works amazing, guys. I use it every time. Here's a quick before and after. And guys, this whole process only took me about 2 minutes to do. And if your brush is really bad, you can leave it in the tape as long as you want. But it's such a great method to use if you're in a crunch time, you don't want to drive to the store, maybe you're snowed in. And guys, let me know what you guys think about it below in the comments. Long time no see. Like, a lot has changed for me personally. I mean, I got a haircut, see? I'll put a before and after picture up on the screen now. And just so you know, I did all this myself. Yeah, I did all myself, took a long time. I hope that today's video I've earned your sub. And if you liked it enough, please leave a like. It helps a lot with the algorithm. Comment down below what you want me to do next. If you want more tutorials, customs, really, I can do whatever you guys want. Oh my gosh. That was not supposed to happen, guys.